Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I have an appointment, but I arrived a bit early. Can I be seen now?
What time is your appointment?
9:45 a.m., but I wanted to be the first one here.
You arrived very early. Now it's 8:15 a.m. But, no problem, I'll register you now.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Sure. Let's get started. Your full name, please?
My name is Paul Johnson.
Could you please spell your last name?
Sure, it's Johnsson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. What's your date of birth?
I was born on March 21st, 1985.
Got it. And can I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 314-585-7290.
Thank you. Now, what is your address?
I live at 239 Maple Street, apartment 23, 5th floor.
You are the third person I've helped this week from there. Is that address close to here?
Yes. It's about 3 kilometers and 200 meters away. Or as we say here, about 2 miles of walking.
But it's hot to walk today. It's about 78 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's exactly why I came now, before it gets hotter.
I need a few more details. What is your email address?
It's paul.johnson@email.com.
Thank you. What time do you prefer your appointments?
I prefer mornings, around 9 o'clock.
Okay, noted. Which day of the week do you prefer?
Tuesdays and Thursdays are best.
Okay, now can I get your social security number?
It's 543-217-890.
Thanks for your patience. The price for the medical consultation is $67.50. But, with the discount, it will be $58. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Already, Mr. Johnson. Your registration is complete. You can sit down. Dr. Smith will call you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.